This is Teddy reacting to a fidget spinner. There you go. Come on, he loses focus, you see. Oh, okay. That's his reaction. He couldn't care less. He really couldn't. Don't be jumping down and escaping anywhere. Look at him. I'm gonna eat ya. I'm gonna eat your camera. Right, okay, that was just Teddy reacting to fidget spinners. And now it's Satan's turn. And I call him Satan for a reason. Come on, Satan. Oh my god, no. Everything's going wrong. No, he's escaping. I'm only joking, it's not. I've got it all under control. Come on, Satan. Satan, come on. Can you be bothered? Can you be bothered? Come on. Right, you can just go back. I need to just grab Satan for a minute. Right, okay. And this is Satan. This is a different ferret, and he's reacting to a fidget spinner. React. Do something funny. Make me YouTube famous. Do something. Do something funny, please. I need to go viral. Come on, what on your chin for? React to it. Spin it, please. Please, just no. Just spin it. Spin the fidget spinner. Just spin. I love this fidget spinner. It's really good, yeah, and I like playing with it. It's amazing. Look, I just spun it. Oh my god, he actually just spun it. Watch, I can spin it by myself. Ah, see, it's spun. Spin it. There we go, I spun it. Woo! Are you proud of me, Dad? You're proud of me? That was Satan reacting to fidget spinners. I've got 2 more ferrets to go, because I have 4 ferrets, and they all hate fidget spinners, but except T, and he loves them. Come on, look at them, and they're cute. You can't say that's not cute. I mean, it's adorable. It's adorable. Did you hear that? God, you're adorable. The viewers think you're adorable, don't they? Right, this is Rosie. Rosie, react to fidget spinners. React. Right, she doesn't really care. Spin it. Spin it. React. Do some. I love this. I don't really like fidget spinners. I like the fidget cube better. This one's a bit shit, you know, because it's a bit. I don't know. It just is. Anyway, I gotta go now. I want to go back to bed. Bye. I hope you all die now. And Bert just hates fidget spinners, so you just chew it up and rip it apart. So there's no point in even interviewing him. He'll just kill them all and just. So those are my 4 ferrets. Bear, which is the big one you just saw. Rosie, which is the little one that just interviewed the fidget spinner. Then Satan and Teddy, which are in bed because they can't bother coming out because they're lazy as fuck. And this piece of shit fidget spinner. No, I don't actually like. Where'd it go? There it is. Sorry, I don't actually like it. It's pretty crap. Yeah, now it's dead. Yeah, I'll sell this one to whoever watches this video for 2p on eBay. Exclusively to you. If you subscribe and like the video, I'll give it to you for free. Seriously. Right, okay, then I'm going to actually start a giveaway now. If you subscribe and like the video, first one to do that gets a free fidget spinner at school. And I highly doubt that it's anybody that's not at my school.